Hello YouTube, Jorge Laveri, here to show you all about bookmarks in PDFs. Having a long file with bookmarks in it makes it outstandingly easier to navigate the file and not get lost in the hundreds or thousands of pages.
I don't know about you, but I prefer reading books in PDF format when they have bookmarks. That way, I know exactly where I am.
There's few things more discouraging than having to pause your reading and then not knowing where you left off. Thankfully, this does not happen with bookmarks, and you'll learn how to add them in this video. Let's create some bookmarks for easier reading, shall we? First, we need a PDF file though. If you haven't already, watch my video on how to save a Word file to PDF. If you already know how to do this, follow along with the next steps. If you already use styles in your document for aesthetic reasons, you'll love this even more. You can export your heading styles to automatically create bookmarks with it. This creates bookmarks in the same way your Word table of contents does. By the way, table of contents have hyperlinks in each line for quick access to them in your file. Conveniently, Word exports these hyperlinks too. You may also be acquainted with the bookmark tool inside of Word. This is amazing to reference specific portions of your document, and you can make your PDF file more interactive by adding these customized bookmarks to it when exporting to PDF. Unfortunately, you can only choose one or the other, but you can create bookmarks with your headings and then export only bookmarks made in Word. Easy enough, right? Tell me in the comments what other things you'd like me to showcase in the upcoming videos. Like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. Check out my other videos on Word, PowerPoint, Excel, OneNote, and more in my channel. Until next time.